today's a big day. We are going to go to a city we've wanted to visit together for years, the Big Easy. We're here in New Orleans' oldest candy shop, and
oldest candy shop still in operation.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. We are in New Orleans today.
Looks like our Uber has arrived, so we're gonna head into the city. What's going on is there's a winter storm moving into the New Mexico area that we're going to be visiting. That's going to be Roswell and Santa Rosa. So we need to figure out how to accomplish everything that we wanted to accomplish, because we wanted to go scuba diving at the Blue Hole in Santa Rosa, which has been on our bucket list for years. And we also want to go spend Christmas with the aliens in Roswell.
Have made it to Santa Rosa. It was over 600 miles that we drove today.
Last night we pulled into a truck stop right by the 84 and the I-40.
See all those big white fluffy clouds up there? Evidently there's a storm brewing in there. We're both feeling much more relaxed now. Hopefully we're through the worst of it.
We pulled off the highway and we're sitting in, I don't know, it looks like a gate area or an access road to some part of the military base.
We shouldn't have waited until today to leave. That we're always pushing the limits, and this is what happens. Like, this didn't catch us blindside. We knew this was coming and we drove up here anyway. Now the road is completely open. Do we take our chances out on that road or do we stay here? The roads actually look pretty decent.
The lane is yours if you want it, dude.
He's going back in.
Yeah.
Changed his mind.
His wife is probably yelling at him, "What are you doing?
Get back over the right lane!
Damn it, Jim! You never listen to me! They know what they're doing!
Okay guys, this is it. We've made it. Whatever happens, we're on solid ground for the night. We'll worry about tomorrow.
This is what it's all about.
This is really special. Look at how beautiful this is.
It is. You can see where the water washes over the rocks there.
Yeah. You really forget how much beauty there is in the desert.
So it's time to head south of the border and run some errands and get a bite to eat. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum, da 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 da. Yeah, and if you want to know who's talking right now, that's who's talking right now. Trying to leave Cottonwood, and we got a situation here. Heater hose blew completely this time. You can see all the smoke coming out. We're heading west towards Quartzsite for the big gathering of RVers and the escapees convergence. So here's our new campsite. Not the most glamorous spot in the world, but we do have a pretty good view out to the southeast there. Get me the hell out of that place. That is way too crowded. We just heard about a group from the escapers that are heading out to go see some petroglyphs. We have been boondocking for 7 days on 40 gallons of water.
We are officially in California.
How's that for a sunset? I think it might even be getting better as the sun gets lower. Good morning from Glamis, California.
Good morning. They're getting everybody buckled in and ready to go. And here are the dunes.
So begins our Mexican adventure. We have just departed my dad's house in San Diego, California. So we're gonna go lay up in the area of El Centro before we cross through by Mexicali and head down to San Felipe.
So we made it through customs. They did board the vehicle and asked to look inside. They asked us what kind of alcohol we had. They asked to see our registration, and they wanted to see that the VIN number matched it. And he asked where we were going and how long we were staying. Pretty simple. And now we've made it through, and these are our first glimpses of Mexico. Well, we've come up on something that says it's a military checkpoint, but we're guessing we're gonna have to stop and chat with someone of authority.
Well, that was one of the most unusual checkpoints I've encountered. The young man that came in pretty much came in, did some generic greetings with each other, and walked into our bedroom and proceeded to have a 5-minute conversation with his wife on the telephone.
So we are having trouble getting in, and while I'm doing this, other people are trying to get into this lane too. It's kind of messy, guys.
Go, 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 go!
Thank you. Oh my God. People are angry.
Hey, you stole my seat. You stole my seat. Yes, you. What are you gonna do about it?
No hablo inglés.
No hablo inglés? Get down. Good boy. Love you, big guy. You're my boy.
We cleared the border crossing and made it back into the States. The opportunity to go to Colombia for business, so we're going to invite you to come along with us. Hello from the United States.
Hello from Mexico.
I'm in 2 places at once. I'm in the US. I'm in Mexico.
I don't know why people say it's so tough to be in 2 places at one time.
Done.
So in case you haven't picked up on our joke yet, here is the actual border between the US and Mexico. We are back stateside, and my dad's gonna come pick us up, and we're We're gonna head back to his house where the motorhome is parked and continue our North American road trip.
Be sure to give us a thumbs up, like our channel, and share with your friends. Most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the ride.